If you need to add additional absorbency into the center of the diaper, which is great for girl babies, you can use the Thomas fold. To do this, flip your large insert upside down so that the booster snap is showing. Then take the bottom of the insert and bring it up to meet the booster snap and snap it together. Once you've done this, take your folded insert and snap it in to the back of the diaper, like so. Now take your booster and snap it into the front of the diaper and lay it over top of the large folded insert. This allows you to have 3 layers of inserts right in the center of the diaper. If you prefer to use the diaper as a pocket diaper, you can also stuff the inserts into the diaper with this fold. If the Thomas fold doesn't meet your needs, you should check out our other video about the Hogan fold. For more information, go to lullabybaby.blog and visit us on our website, lullabybaby.com.